You've landed the client, you've scoped the project. Now it's time to bring ideas to life, without rushing into full design. That's where wireframes and prototypes come in. In this lesson, I'll show you how to create simple, strategic wireframes and clickable prototypes that help you get clear client approval before you spend hours designing. Step 1. Start with structure, not style. A wireframe is a blueprint, not a design. It shows layout, hierarchy, and content placement without getting distracted by fonts, colors, or images. Think boxes for images, lines for text, basic placeholders for buttons, menus, and forms. Start low fidelity. The point is to focus on function and flow, not flair. Tools you can use: Figma, Balsamiq, pen and paper, scanned and uploaded. Keep it clean and quick. Step 2. Think in sections, not just pages. Great websites are built in blocks. Each section should serve a purpose, like building trust, educating, or guiding a call to action. Map out. Hero section. Problem and solution. Services overview. Testimonials. Contact or call to action. Wireframe one key page at a time, usually the home page first, then move to supporting pages once approved. Step 3. Explain your strategy. Don't just send your wireframe and ask, "What do you think?" Walk your client through the why behind your choices. Try something like, "Here's the homepage wireframe. I placed the contact button high on the page to increase conversion, and the testimonials come right after the services section to build credibility quickly." Clients don't speak design, they speak results. So frame your layout decisions around their goals. You can record a quick Loom walkthrough or schedule a 10-minute call to present it. Step 4. Turn wireframes into interactive prototypes. Once the structure is approved, make it clickable. A prototype shows how the site will feel, how users navigate and flow between sections. In Figma, it's as easy as linking frames. You can add hover effects, transitions, and scroll behaviors without touching code. This bridges the gap between idea and reality and helps clients feel confident moving into design. Step 5. Get formal sign-off. Once the prototype is approved, ask for written confirmation. A simple message like, "Great, if you're happy with the structure and layout, I'll move into the full design phase. Please reply to confirm or let me know if you have any final notes." This gives you a green light and protects against feedback like, "Can we move that section?" 2 weeks later. Always get clear approval before designing anything high fidelity. Wireframes and prototypes aren't just a step in the process. They're a tool for clarity, collaboration, and efficiency. They help clients feel involved and confident and help you design smarter, faster, and with fewer revisions. In the next lesson, we'll dive into your design process from start to finish: colors, fonts, layouts, and how to bring your creative vision to life.